two packages here. We got this small one for that's Pokemon cards, and then this other one that if it is what I think it is, then you know. Let's open this one first. Okay. It should be a Mexico jersey. I know this isn't a Pokemon stuff, but you know it's still a package that came in. I'm just thinking, is this too big for me? Let's see. Look at that. Number 11. The front. It's actually pretty. This is nice. This is actually pretty nice. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this away. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's beautiful. Okay, so now for the real package that we have here, that you are probably watching this video for, is Pokemon cards. This is much more easier to open. Which way is it gonna be? Okay. No more. No more cards. Okay. We have a good bit of cards in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. I'm gonna start with the first one. We have a Noibert. I think it is GX. No, not EX. Buzzwole GX. Edgross V. Shiny. Avery. A trainer full art. Pedalian. Paldean. Students. What the heck? And then Shiny more Pico. Those cards are beautiful, aren't they? I mean, this is from Sun and Moon, and then this is, I think this is new. This one's the only Japanese one, right? I think it is, yeah. Well, they're beautiful. We got trainers, we got shinies, and we got EXs and GXs. Well, I'm gonna go put them in my binder right now because they deserve to be in the collection like ASAP. Let's see. Oof. Okay, we only have room for one more. One more on that side. Who should we give it to? I'm gonna just give it to Eldegrass. Wait, the condition. Condition is pretty good. It's minty. Okay, there. It's in there. And then we have one more Pico, which will start the next page of shinies. And then what's after? We don't have any. Yeah, we do have a GX, right? Buzzwole from Sun and Moon. So this video is gonna go up like I don't know how long, but I hope by then I have like at least 10 subscribers. You know, I mean I'm not being like, you know, like, oh my god, I only have 2 subscribers right now. It's just, you know, I would love to have more. Is this a perfect sleeve? I've never actually had one of those. Like, it's not a penny sleeve, but it's a perfect sleeve for cards. And then we have 2 trainer ones, which will go right there. Which I have to go sleeve them up because they don't have sleeves. Oh, I left the sleeves over there. I'm gonna just put some pages over here. There. Okay. We need 2. Oh wait, I think I already has. Yeah, it already has one. Well, this one already has one, and I don't think this one has one. No, this one doesn't have one. That's actually pretty good condition. That's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Oof. Okay. Not there. But here. Avery. Is he from Sword and Shield, right? I'm pretty sure he is. Is it a he or a she? It looks like a man, but it could be a woman, you know. But yeah, that's the mail we got today. I hope you liked the video. It's pretty short, but you know, every other video is short. And hopefully this channel grows slowly, but you know, it grows. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.